Hello, welcome to Tan's Lego and Brick Builds. Today, I'll give you a quick preview of a desktop organizer I made. Let's get started. So, on the bottom left corner, just here, there's a little compartment for small stuff like rubbers and erasers. Then, on the top left corner here, there's a bigger storage unit, mainly for pencils, highlighters and pens. But if you just go to the back, there are some other compartments that pop out here and here. The bottom one has some sharpeners and the top one has a sticky thing that I don't know what it's called. But if you thought this was over, you haven't seen it yet, because the main thing is a little safe that can pop out, and in it I put a little football sharpener thing here. Now I'll close it back. If this video gets 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 likes, I'll do a part 2 where I show you a tutorial of how to build it. And if you did enjoy this, like, subscribe and share. Bye!